it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back in India. We're in India. Big up all of my Indian peeps that's been tuning into the channel. Let me just say, a lot of you guys watch, but a lot of you guys don't sub. So, can you please do me a favor and drop a sub on the channel? I would really appreciate that. You see me? And if you guys want more Indian reactions, let me know. So today we're here with Musala, The Last Ride. Alright, Musala, The Last Ride. So we're gonna see what this song is saying. So I actually have on the subtitles today. The comment section has been filled with I need to react with subtitles. So I'm here with the subtitles. So thank you very much for pointing that out. Also, guys, like I said earlier on, if you guys are not sub yet, please drop a sub. Alright? So big up all the Punjab them. Big up all of my Indian brothers them and sisters, of course. Big up on yourself. Let's jump in this one and hear where the legend himself has to say.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah.
So if you see me pause, is to read something that because obviously I'm doing the subtitles.
Yo, Wazir.
Wazir, big up. Produced by Wazir, big up.
Tell him where you're from, man.
Different spot in his eyes. Yeah. Hold on. It just says he died at a young age. Is Muswala rapping about himself, rapping about his own life, rapping about his own death here? Comment section. What is it? Let me know, please. What is going on here? Is he rapping about his own death? Because if this is the case, this guy, oh my God. Let's go again from the top.
Oh, Wazir. Tell him where you're from, man.
Tell him where you're from, bro. Lot of guts. Yeah. The funeral will be held at a young age. Whoa. It's like he see what was about to happen to him, right? Am I right in thinking that? And this is why the Indians compare him to Tupac. So he's the Indian Tupac, guys. He's the Indian Tupac. Let's go again, man. This guy's a legend. This guy is a legend. Literally a legend, bro. He rapped about... Oh, my God. All right.
Yeah. Yo, Wazir.
That's want to thank Steph London to point me into the direction of this artist. Yeah. Funeral will be held at a young age. Whoa. Yeah. So he says where people walk, footprints are made, but no one walk in his path. No one walk in his path, so he's the only one that's walking in his path. but I made an audience who believe me as their God. I've literally seen this in the comment section where people saying that he's the God, like he's so highly rated, and he's singing about it. Whoa. See, he's showing homage to Tupac there. Is he Tupac in the video? Tupac there, legend. Yo, is this guy a prophet? He literally prophesies his own death. Yo, am I right in thinking that? Am I right? He's singing about himself here, and the fact that he's saying that his funeral basically come at a young age. Am I right in thinking all of that? That he's talking about himself here? Because no one young achieves popularity of this level. True. Tell you all that. Very young age. What'd you say? He became the part of many people's hate. People will bow in the respect of him. People will bow their heads in the respect to him. Oh, whoa. He has maintained his relationship with prominent families. And he have beef with some big people. So I've seen this in the comment section where they're saying it was set up and killed by politicians. Big people. Whoa. Yeah. Rebellion. Rebellion touch is in his song. Hold on a minute, man. Now wait, let finish.
ਖਿਲਾਫ ਹੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋੜ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸੱਚ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਲੋੜ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸੱਚ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਆਉ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਜੰਗ ਨਾਮਾ ਫਿਰੇ ਲਿਖਦਾ ਬੜਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਲਮਾਂ ਤੇ ਹੀਰਾ ਲਿਖੀਆਂ ਜਿੱਦੀ ਨੀ ਤਸਵੀਰ ਕਿਤੇ ਮੁੱਲ ਨਾ ਖੜੋ ਅੰਤ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਵਿਕੀਆਂ ਆਉ ਮੂਸੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੀ ਅਮਰ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਬਹੁਤਿਆਂ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਵਿਕੀਆਂ ਆਉ ਮੂਸੇ
Musa just become immortal while he's alive. Oh, the whole world is talking about me. Whoa.
Wazir in the hood.
Wow. Wazir, big up yourself. Yo, can I just say, this project, this video. All right, so Musala did this before he passed, correct? I'm asking these questions. He sing a song like this before he lost his life, right? All right. If the answer is yes, he's so smart. What he's doing, he's singing about himself in a third person form. So he's saying all these stuff as in he and him and you know, like he's not saying Musala or me or I. He's saying it in a third person form, but he's literally singing about himself. And everything that he's saying in the song actually happened to him. Allegedly got set up and killed by politicians. Some people in India, I'm sure they would hate him for being so outspoken and being different from the norm. But you have people who really love him and look at him like a modern day god. Like, yeah, so he's talking about everything in the song that people are now saying in the comment section. This guy. When a government can't control you, they're so quick to take you out. When they can't control what you say, when they can't control the norm, and they think you're going against their guidelines, they're so quick to take you out. So if it is the government that took him out allegedly, then this would all make sense of why they would, because of what he's saying and what he's doing. This guy is a legend. This guy is a legend for real. I see it, like I said, I see it in the comment section over and over again where people saying he's a legend. Yes, he is a legend. And I'm no hooked to his music. So the Punjabi guys, the Indian crowd, if you guys can drop a sub to the channel, please. We're trying to get to 30K. We're not far from 30K. If you guys can drop a sub to the channel, please, that would be so good for me. I understand. Drop a like on the video and let me know which song to comment to react to next, and I'll definitely have you with the subtitles. As you can see, I did a lot better with the subtitles than without the subtitles. All right. So yes, thank you guys. All right. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Whoa, Mooswala. Whoa.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.